More than just an embroidery machine, these machines are the most advanced sewing and quilting machines available in the industry. One of their amazing features is the digital dual feed. What makes this dual feed system different is that it has a top roller that is controlled by the machine. So that roller moves the same speed as the bottom feed, never leaving the surface of the fabric. But what's different is I can control the speed of the top roller in relation to the bottom, thus giving me a tool to aid in working with thick fabrics, thin fabrics, fabric with stretch or bias. Sometimes you need to push and pull on the fabric. No more with this digital dual feed. You have complete control. On the screen I have an adjustment. At 0, 0, the top feed system is moving the same speed as the bottom. I can make it go faster, which is great for working with elastics where I need more advanced pull on the fabric, or also for denim seams. But let's say I'm working with sheer fabrics where I need a little more stretch and pull on the fabric as a resistance. I can go as a negative. Whether negative or positive, you can tell what makes a difference. You now have a way of controlling the fabric better than ever before. One of the most difficult fabrics to sew is Lycra. And when you sew elastic with Lycra or any knit, you're supposed to stretch from both ends, and it's very difficult to stretch from both ends and guide the fabric at the same time. With this feed system, not only do I not have to stretch from both ends, but typically when I've done this on other machines, I've had to lengthen the stitch. The problem is when the elastic snaps back, you've got loop stitches. I simply advanced the top feed system. I went to a greater number, so it's going faster than the bottom, and watch the results. My elastic is perfectly gathered, and I can guide it evenly on the edge. Take a look how even that is. When you see the side, look at that gather. I've never seen a machine sew as well on elastic and Lycra. It sews through a denim seam like it's butter. Minky or fake fur with no problem. How about sheer polyester organza? I'm going to do a zigzag over the edge to create a rolled hem similar to that done on a serger. This time I slowed down the top feed system to add some resistance, and watch the results. The zigzag is wider to start, but then it rolls the fabric in underneath itself. On a typical machine that would just jam it up, but because of this digital dual feed, it pulls it through and keeps it consistent. And the result is professional. I've not seen machines sew like this. You've got to get this machine. Now look how nice it is. That is actually a rolled edge similar to what a serger does.